Hello. Today's tutorial will teach you how to mine XVP by renting a rig and using a pool. As you know, there were times in the beginning when the XVP was mined using the personal computer. Today, this is no longer possible, due to the fact that people use specialized equipment, called rigs, to mine XVP, and thus the difficulty increases exponentially. The stronger the rig, the bigger the difficulty. Thus, if you want to mine XVP, you have to either buy such a device, or rent one, and join a pool. To do this, let's take the steps. First, create an account on miningrigRentals.com, and fund your account with a few satoshis. They have a diverse offer to make a deposit. Choose what suits you best. There are a variety of rig deals, but you should choose your rig wisely, and you should usually not pay more than 10,000 satoshi, or $1 per 24 hours, if you are the only miner in the network. Then, create an account on Mining Dutch Pool. It's a great pool and XVP is listed there. To make sure you don't do fatal mistakes, visit Help Center section on miningrigRentals.com and Help and Info section on Mining Dutch Pool, and get used to the terms and how it works. The next step is to rent a rig and connect it to the pool. One of the important points to reach out is to carry out a short research in advance to determine the choice of the appropriate rig at a given time. Also, calculating the profitability of mining to avoid mining at a loss. In an idealistic scenario, the network causes a block to be added every 30 seconds. Extending to 24 hours, it means that 2,880 blocks will be added to the chain. About half of them are staking products, so there are about 1,440 left for POW mining. That is a reward of 1,440 times 1.5 equals 2,000 XVP on average. This is only the idealistic case. If there are several miners, this reward will be divided between the active miners at a specific time, depending on the hash rate of each. Let's rent for 24 hours. Remember that in order to deposit Bitcoin or whatever your option to pay the rent with, you can find the deposit address in the balance dashboard. Since we studied the network and noticed that no one is mining at the moment, we will rent a rig with a low hash rate, because there are no competitors in the network, and a low price per gigahash per day, to get cheap XVP coins. So, click on Rigs, choose the X11 algorithm. Click on hashrate to arrange in ascending order. Choose the desired rig by clicking on Rent Now. A window will pop up. Set the currency you pay with, and length. Then we will be asked for information about the pool. To get them, we will go to Mining Dutch, and click on Getting Started. We choose the X11 algorithm. Copy the URL, and paste it to pool host. Then the worker name. Then the password, which is X. And then add pool. In the next step we check the data carefully and press pay and start. Now the rig starts, but it doesn't know which currency to mine and we have to specify that. Back in the pool, go to Workers, wait for the worker to be displayed. Go to Customize Miner Configuration, choose XVP, and the mode you want. Now your rig miner knows what coin to mine. One more thing you need to set, namely how often the mined coins are sent to your personal XVP wallet. To do this, go to Wallets. Click on Unlock. A verification email is required to change the details. After checking by email, go to Payout Settings, enter the address of your personal wallet where your XVP coins will be sent. And the threshold that must be reached to proceed with the payout. This is it. From now on, for 24 hours, you have nothing to do but watch the rig work. And admire how you receive rewards for extracting new XVP coins. One more time. The miner you rent mines the XVP coins, which are stored in the pool wallet. When at least 50 coins are collected there, they are sent to your personal wallet. As you can see, the address set to receive the mined coins receives packages of 50 XVP or more almost every hour.